Balancing chemical equations may seem tricky, but it's simpler than you think. Follow these 3 easy steps to balance equations effortlessly. Step 1. Identify all the elements in the equation and count their atoms on both sides. In our example, we have 3 carbon atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms on the left side. On the right side, we have 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atoms, and 2 hydrogen atoms. Step 2. Use coefficients to balance the elements. To start, let's balance the carbon atoms. We'll add a coefficient of 3 in front of CO2 to match the 3 carbon atoms on the left side. Now, let's address the hydrogen atoms. We have 8 on the left and only 2 on the right. To balance, let's add a coefficient of 4 in front of H2O to have 8 hydrogen atoms on both sides. The carbon and hydrogen atoms are balanced. But now, we have 10 oxygen atoms on the right and only 2 on the left. Step 3. Fine-tune the equation by adjusting the coefficients to balance the remaining elements. To balance the oxygen atoms, we'll need to adjust the coefficient in front of O2. In this case, let's use a coefficient of 5 to have 10 oxygen atoms on both sides. And there you have it, the balanced chemical equation. Remember, balancing all other atoms first, then tackling oxygen, and finally balancing hydrogen last can make equation balancing much easier. Also remember that we can only change the coefficients of molecules or atoms